Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix payment failed for protection on Cash App. So guys, let's get started without wasting your precious time. So guys, if you try to send the payment to somebody and it's not working and you're getting the error like this, then I'll show you guys how can you fix it. So you can see the amount here guys. So first of all guys, what you have to do is just simply have to send the less amount and then check if it's working or not. If it's not working for you guys, then it means you have not saved the number of that person. So just simply have to save the number in your contact, and after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to try to send the money again. Okay guys, because Cash App thinks that you are sending the money to the stranger. Okay guys, just simply have to save the number of the receiver, and after that guys, you can easily send the money. If it's not working for you guys, and what you have to do guys, just simply have to make sure that if you have enough balance in your Cash App. Okay guys, if you have enough balance and still it's not working for you guys, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to go to the Cash App. And now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to wait some seconds. So let's wait guys. From here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on your profile at the top right corner, and now from here guys, make sure that if you have verified your identity, and also make sure that other person also has verified his identity. And after that guys, scroll it down and you can easily find here guys sports section. Now from here guys, tap on that. Now go to sports section. So let me go to the sports section first. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to wait some seconds. Let's wait guys. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to scroll it down. Now you can easily see here guys payments option, tap on that, and now from here guys, you can see sending payments, receiving payments. Okay guys, so just simply have to go to sending payments. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to scroll it down, and now from here guys, go to chat section, and here you have to contact with the Cash App team, and they will resolve your issue very easily. So you can see, tap on that and you can easily find the chat section as well. So you can easily chat with them and resolve your issue. So that's pretty much for today. If this is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.